Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to Watchbox, and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso@thewatchbox.com. It's in the description below, your purchase and pricing email question line for buying this or any watch you see on any Watchbox platform. Please reach out to me directly. Email tmosso@thewatchbox.com for pricing. Today, we are discussing a lovely 2021 launch made in 250 pieces. This is the Chopard L.U.C Chopard GMT1. It is in DLC titanium, and it's 42 millimeters in diameter by 11.8 millimeters thick. Lug-to-lug, it's 50.8 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. This is an easy watch to wear. It's flat. It's comfortable. All in titanium, it's very light. And on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, it's a good fit. It is broad, however, so I would say you probably want to wear this watch on a wrist no smaller than 15 centimeters circumference. It is flat, and it'll slide easily underneath the cuff. Taking a quick look at the strap. It's a textile pattern, but it is a leather strap. Now, the strap is wonderfully supple, comfortable, and as you can see, a brand new Chopard factory piece with a lightly contrasting stitch. And we have a matching DLC pin buckle that has a lovely beveling on its side. And as you can see, it, like the case, is made of titanium. The case is simple. It has a media blasted profile. Everything is media blasted, except ironically the dial, which is brushed. Here we have one crown, which is used for winding and setting the watch. And then we have another crown, which is used for setting the GMT reference ring. Now, the GMT reference ring is ratcheting and unidirectional, so you're going to be able to turn it in one direction only. Keep that in mind when you're setting. This is a true GMT, just like the original Rolex GMT Master of 1954, which means you have this 24-hour second hand, and the idea here is that you're going to set the watch to Greenwich Mean Time, and then you're going to use the bezel to determine your second time zone by offsetting from Greenwich Mean Time. So if your airport is GMT +3, for example, you're going to enter GMT +3, and that is going to give you the time at your reference location, whether it's an airport or a port of destination or just a place where friends and business associates might be living. So that's key. Keep that in mind. And if you don't set it to Greenwich Mean Time, you're going to want to probably memorize the offsets for the locations that you want to measure relative to your own time zone. So this is a 24-hour hand that's synced to the 12-hour hand. You can never decouple them and set one separately from the other. That's what I mean when I say this is a true GMT. All of the calculations are done with the bezel. You can see the hands are a sort of delta style, a fusion design, a combination of baton and dauphine. They're polished and fluted. We have a polished seconds hand, which is counterweighted and lancet style. We have that index for the 24-hour hand. We have its center, that satin gray metallic finish. Then we have a concentric graining, or I should say a concentric pattern for the hour track. We have a brushed metallic finish on the GMT bezel, and we'll do a loom shot here so you can get a sense of that. And as you can see, the dial is reasonably well loomed. Now we're going to turn the watch over, and I should mention, though we don't have a independent second time zone, we do actually have the ability to stop the seconds, so it has hacking, and there is a quick set mechanism for the date, so you can rapidly set that. For the most part, what's going to happen here is you're going to use this 24-hour hand as an AM/PM hand to let you know whether you're looking at day or night. So for example, am I looking at 3 in the morning? Am I looking at 3 in the evening? Am I looking at 4 in the morning? Am I looking at 4 in the afternoon? Am I looking at 5? Just like that. This will tell you whether you're looking at the second half of the day or the first half of the day. Case back. Okay, individual smoked sapphire, unique to this model, and we have caliber 0110L. Automatic winding. It has a 60-hour power reserve. It is a COSC certified Swiss chronometer that pivots on 31 joules, beats at 8 beats per second. It has the double hands at 12 and 24-hour format. It has the hacking seconds and the quick set date, all of this water resistant down to 50 meters. And again, it is not a blackened movement, it is a smoked sapphire. That's how that is achieved. It's a good looking movement though, and it's a manufactured caliber built by Chopard. You can see that the bevels are so broad and bright, they light up even through the smoked sapphire. We have engine turning on the base plate, black polished screw heads, and then we have Cote de Genève across the bridges and the winding rotor. Reach out, to Team Mosso at thewatchbox.com for purchase and pricing details.